Jackson.
What?
Wait, can you actually hear me?
Young nigga. Bitch ass niggas. I'ma you up when I see you, nigga.
Oh, my boomerang. Okay, my bad. Oh, crap. How did he even hit me? Did you see him hit me like that? Who?
Yeah.
Which animal has that deep
and
voice?
died, bro. Did this noise?
I'm gonna survive it. I'm gonna survive it. That cabbage dog is such annoying. It's from a DLC pack. Like, who buys DLC on this game? It's been out for 2 days. And they already buy DLC. Alright, that's one black hole. I've survived. You know how to throw people, right? The 100-ton hammer. Yeah, whenever you knock them out, try and throw them in the middle. Oh, crap. He just knocked me out. Oh my gosh. I just witnessed that Nemo on Nemo violence.
Let's see. I can change on my. Hold on, God.
I think it's too heavy to support. Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump off. No, please, please, please. Oh, I see you down there, dead. Rest in peace, bro. Nunchucks, nunchucks. Oh crap! Somebody threw a fish at me. Wait, that's the last guy. Did you throw a bomb at him? Freaking. Oh, you're the fake Nemo. I'm the real one. Trust. No cap. Balls. I missed. No, 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 no. It's about to be a tie. Never mind. He knocked me out midair. Oh, that one was a tie. Never mind. He died apparently less than a split second before me. Oh my gosh, bro. Gay pig just freaking drop kicked me. Yeah. Yeah, you wanna go? Yeah, I wouldn't try that, boy.
I just unplugged my hard drive.
Oh. Uh-oh. Let's hope OBS isn't on it. Swimming with this bunny rabbit midair. Oh, freaking dude named Cake Baker. No, no!
I can finally hear better now, bro. Alright, now I'm back in the game. Latinas.
Oh! You watch me just send that dude? Oh, we just drop kicked each other midair.
Me and you?
No, me and this other guy.
I survived the black hole. Or if there's an achievement where you have to survive not being, being knocked out. Like, you can't be knocked out the whole game.
There is an achievement if you knock somebody out while the black hole is happening.
Hold on. Here. You just watch me get flipped over that thing and die.
He just punched me right into the middle of the black hole reactor.
Better buy a bomb. Nah, made me buy a banana.
You press left and right on the D-pad to switch tabs.
Ooh, I'm about to bomb y'all with some bananas. Some pigs to die. Just die. Da da da. Throw 'em in, throw 'em in, throw 'em in. That's a lion, bro. The police are just pulling up, bro.
Oh crap. The sound of Nemo getting knocked out is so funny.
Bro, did you just watch that bunny commit suicide? Oh
No.
snap! The pig
I thought I
just
saw one of them. Oh
got
crap.
Oh.
They threw each other in.
Oh god.
Oh crap.
I'm begins, bro. Oh, I just knocked someone out.
Oh, yeah, that's what you get, bozo. Oh!
Ooh. Bunny rabbit versus bunny rabbit, bro.
Oh, I just killed another
Doesn't
Nemo.
matter, police.
I'm coming to save you, Talon. Oh crap, somebody threw a banana peel right at that dude's face.
I'm not dying. Oh god, I'm about to slam on the ground.
Oh crap, I drop kicked. Oh! In his face. Oh, there's a bomb! He has it in his hands! Another one, bro? Really?
Oh snap, bro. You almost just drop kicked me. Mm.
Dang it, I'm out of stamina.
I'm
Oh
too-
crap, I thought that was you! Help, help!
Black hole,
Oh
black hole.
crap. I killed him! I killed him! Grab the
Black
container, bro!
hole,
Grab the
black
crate!
hole.
Grab the crate! Grab my legs!
Give me something. No, that bomb might help me. No, that's a bunch of wiener figgles.
No! No!
Yeah, you're dead.
No!
Yes.
Oh crap!
Snap. He just saved you.
Fool. Oh, 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 oh! Oh! John Cena! Wait. John Cena, WWE! No, get off me! Get off! No, no, no! I knocked myself out because I headbutted the wall. No, no, no! Let go! No, no!
Name is Corey Kinsey.
Oh! Did you just see how hard I drop kicked that guy?
Oh, I want him. No, bunny rabbit, fight me.
Oh crap, I got the ice cube gun. Here, fricker.
I'm packing, bro.
Oh crap.
Oh, I'm getting jumped. No, yes, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
This game is so fun. I got knocked out by a bomb. It's like that's all it did to me. Oh crap, he just took my face off. No, no, no! He just back tossed me in there.
No, bunny, you're dying. You're dying.
It's like the scene in The Lion King.
No, bro, why did you? You gave me karma because you brought back the Lion King death.
He grabbed it and exploded.
Oh snap! I think there's only be one person surviving this round. Always holding on a crate. The crate's in the middle. No! Oh, he's lucky.
Oh,
It's
they
team
were
sweats
both
against
on
sweats.
teams?
No, they're both on teams. Oh, the sweats are on teams. Give me this effing frying pan. No, don't touch my frying pan!
No! Did you watch me just gate into the reactor?
But I'm being shot. I'm being shot in the neck. I'm being
I
hurt.
see it.
Oh, snap.
You got
Am I
2
about
on
to-
your hand.
Oh.
What?
I'm not to a jug. Or whatever. Oh. Oh, another bow and arrow, guys. Next to me. I want to kill this golden guy. How do you get golden skins? Do you just like...
I think you have to buy them. You either buy them in the item shop, get them out of surprise eggs, or level up, I guess. I don't know.
Come here, Fig. We're best friends. No. You won't take me? Yeah, boy! Oh, wait. This one isn't working. No. No. You ain't taking me. Oh, my face. He's alive. Oh, he's charging at me. I killed you one run. I'll kill you again, boy. Oh. Yes, he's too trash to even throw me. I'm being... Oh, Frisbee, I'm lagging. Oh. He's too trash to even throw me off. Doesn't even know how to grab it off. Oh, bombs are being thrown.
Grab something. He doesn't have a weapon. He doesn't have anything to grab. He's got a weapon in his hands.
No. Who won?
He did.
Oh my god, dude. Suck it.
Oh crap. Which one am I? Nah, frick that bunny rabbit, bro. Oh crap, I drop kicked him off the podium. I'm the one on the right.
Look at the bottom left corner of the people. You see my toe he was.
Y'all smell? Really? How did he even type that in chat?
Chat typers?
Like buns. No, you know what? Yeah, F y'all. Feel me?
Yeah.
Jeez. How is this dude type? Let me lick him. How is this dude typing in chat?
He must be a moderator.
He's just the creator of the game.
Starting.
Kill him! He was telling me to. He was making me let me lick his cheeks. Oh, I just heard the dog. Kill him! It's the Matrix dog. Oh crap! Somebody threw a taser at his head and it knocked him out.
I almost got a guy off. No, do not push me
What?
off, mister.
Oh crap!
What's that? Oh,
The pepperonis are dried out.
what are you making, bro?
Pizza.
Why this guy just killed himself?
Oh crap! I just got knocked out by a bomb. Run!
No, I don't support the hot. Bro, you just knocked me to F out.
Let's get this guy out of here, mods. No!
Try to reconnect? You said try to reconnect. now I'm looking at my TV and playing, bro. I'm looking at my TV and playing. Oh my gosh, I have to play on my TV now.
Did it reconnect onto your monitor?
Okay, it's back. Oh my gosh, I think I just tossed the tiger guy off. What is happening?
You better
My
win that.
game is lagging so bad.
It was the freaking tiger.
Who won it?
No!
Oh my god, why is the bridge turning like this? I'm holding on for dear life.
The bridge
Don't
ripped.
skip.
Bro,
I'm
ripped
gonna
in.
drop
It
him
ripped
off
in.
and off.
It ripped in half right where I was standing. Oh crap! You kicked his face off, bro.
No, you're going down with me. Ah, I'm asleep. Dangle on.
Whoops. That was not my bomb, bro.
You're the one that just did that to me?
Wait, that guy just team killed. He's team killing. Team killing is not nice, even though I just did it. Doesn't matter.
I'm a little bunny foo-foo.
What does that mean, Town?
Here, I wanna. Oh,
Oh, I just drop kicked the yak.
let me see inside of you.
Oh, what? Talon, that's weird. Oh, I threw her off. I threw her off. Alright, I'm GTFOing.
Hey, boys,
Just
come
kidding.
check
Whoa!
out this
No!
video. No,
Are you singing
Secret
Pirates of the
Agents.
Caribbean? That's Neo from the Matrix. Run away, bro! There's a bomb.
Wonder why there's a bomb.
Sorry, Matrix. We're not letting you see our cheeks. Oh, I dropped a bomb right next to that dog's face. And drop kick him off. All right, throw him off. Throw him off. You can win. You can win. Why did
Like a fish!
he threw it right at your hands? No, run away. There's a bomb, bro.
Bomb to the Caribbean!
I hate you, bro. Why would you do that? You ran. Bro, you started humping the bomb.
Got knocked out, bro.
Oh, pop.
Matrix!
Pop.
Oh,
Pop.
oh, I just got knocked out.
Help. Oh, crap. He just knocked me out.
No, Matrix.
Wow.
Me and Matrix are holding
Oh,
hands.
crap. He just right hooked me off the balcony.
Oh! Why is it always me last on the team?
Look at you.
Tony!
No, the tiger is the guy that killed me. He did.
Oh,
Bro, he killed me that exact same way.
bro.
What did you say?
I said he corn dogged me in the butthole with his fist.
Wait a minute. The bombs can destroy the bridge.
Guess what? I'm bombing.
Matrix
girls?
and the dog.
Let's set up the bomb. There's a bomb out of his wiener.
I hate it when the camera's like this. It makes me sick.
What just happened?
Bro.
I'm gonna toss a bomb.
Oh, pop. Oh, crap.
Ho,
Pop.
ho.
Oh, no.
Wait, I'm about to give y'all a Merry Christmas present. Ho, ho, ho. Aw, dang it. Ho, ho, ho. Aw, dang it.
Watch that bomb go away.
Boom. Look at them two fighting. Oh, snap. I want to see the bomb go off.
Oh, I drop kicked that dog in the mouth.
Wait. Stop fighting me. Bro. Oh, I just started making out with the dog.
I'm putting that on my album, bro. Nut cheeks.
Did you hear me crying?
Yes.
Did it sound good?
No.
I do my knee. I'm about to suck my knee.
Oh, what?
That's what I'm about to suck my knee.
Shut up. You know at the chicken festival, those kernel corn bags, like how big they are?
No, because I've never went to the chicken festival.
Oh, it's like these bags that are like the same length as my computer monitor, right?
Mm-hmm.
I accidentally ate half of it today.
Today?
No. Oh crap! I
Hey,
accidentally
baby
team
girl.
killed. I didn't know this was a team game mode. Wait, what
This
is
is
our
a
goal?
team
What is
game
our
mode?
goal? Yeah, we're blue team. What is our goal
I
here?
just-
What are we supposed to do? I wasn't
I
paying
don't know.
attention.
I think we go fly. Go back to the 1980s.
Let's get on this thing. I think we have to make it to the other team's goal thing or something.
Oh, I just threw myself across the base. No, I'm
I'm on the
dead.
enemy base now.
Oh.
Dude, shut up. There's a golden Sparky. Wait, it's a safe. Well, what does this mean? What is the safe?
Oh wait, someone's on our base. We need someone to protect it.
Maybe we should be robbing the safe from the other player?
Dude, they're robbing our safes. What are you talking about?
Bro, we're also robbing their safe. We're blue team, remember? We're not red team.
Go back to the 1990s.
Talon! You're alive, bro! Chill! Help!
You said I was what?
Alive? No!
Did you see that, mother effer? Did you see that, mother? Jackson, bro. Jackson, this thing is crazy.
Oh, I think we took their safe.
No! I just flew across the map to the
Other side of the base with my movie going boing, boing.
I saw 3 goth girls at the chicken festival.
Were they hot?
Yes.
I'm so putting that on TikTok.
Listen, the 3rd one was the hottest one I've ever seen in my life.
Big movies.
What?
Big movies.
Kinda? Not really. Oh, crap!
What color hair did they have?
Red.
Did they have a, as I should say in Skibbity Toilet language, a yacht?
Is the otter on our team? Yes, he is.
Hey, Arnold Schwarzenegger. You thought you were gonna get me again.
It doesn't say the N-word, bro. It's Nader. Yo, we won, because I'm just...
Yo, my first victory, my first victory. I'm jumping off to prove my mom wrong. I'm a zombie.
Oh, look at me. I didn't see this while I was recording, but what was he doing to the alligator?
Look at me in the back. Whoa, it looks like I'm doing something else in the back.
What are you doing, G?
I'm behind the dog that looks really weird at the main.
The what?
Like behind the main dog on the cover.
That's me.
Bro, I was riding on someone's back, bro. What the?
Whoa.
I just jumped, I grabbed onto someone, and I just started bouncing around.
While you're running, you can press X to do a heavy punch.
Yeah, that's what I always do. Okay, boys and girls, after 2 rounds, me and Jackson will be gone. And we won't do it.
I'll be playing, but after this match, I'm gonna stop recording, so I don't have to edit.
Okay,
like
sure.
a whole bunch.
I don't want to edit a bunch. Plus, I don't want to
Like
become a Skibbity
4 of
Toilet
us
nerd.
just-
Yo, that was on me if it goes in. That was on me. I'm the only one down here. I'm about to pick it up.
No, we're not. There's like 400 of us down here. We're on blue
But I
team,
mean,
so we gotta score it in red.
Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet. My Skibbity Toilet teacher told me all about soccer. You have to become a Skibbity Toilet to be in soccer. Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet.
Shut up.
After that score, I started doing my Skibbity Toilet walk. I'm about to pick it up. I want to pick the
I
ball
just
up.
knocked the Chun-Li gorilla out in the midair. Oh.
No way. Aw, F the unicorns.
Oh, just 1v1.
Thanks to that mother effing unicorn, ball is over here. Thanks to that mother effing Dojo Cat.
Dojo Cat.
Bro, I was trying to search up Tyler the Creator funny images. There was a picture of Dojo Cat, bro.
Did it make your wee wee go sprawling? No, no, no. Ow. I was like, no, 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 no. I knocked out that pig.
Skibidi toilet. Skibidi, skibidi toilet.
Enemy come brrr in the area.
Enemy complete. Added. Videos are always better whenever I'm in them. Skibidi toilet. Skibidi,
That's why
skibidi
you're only
toilet.
in one video.
I'm not in one video on
Well,
your
you're
channel.
about to be in 2.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm in more than one video, you little trash stalker.
No, you're only in the Payday 2 video.
No, and the Left 4 Dead. Bro,
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't know
yeah.
the videos you
I
make.
forgot about the Left 4 Dead video, okay? That video is probably the most forgettable one on my channel.
Why don't you like Left 4 Dead?
I do, it's forgettable. Oh, I punched it in! Watch that, I right hooked it into the goal.
If you...
Watch, watch, I right hook it right into the goal.
That was me, bro.
No, it was not. I don't
that
think you played
was
Nemo.
me. Skibidi toilet. Skibidi, skibidi toilet. I'll be goalie, I'll be goalie, I'll be goalie. Imagine not having testicular ball cancer.
What? Not a very good thing to have, Mumji.
Who's
No,
gonna
no,
score?
no, I am. No, no, no.
I mean, Beavis and Butthead scored.
Never. They want to, but they never did. Oh, that was me. I right hooked it away. Yeah. No, no, no.
It's great.
I
I'm
knocked
doing
out the
everything.
pig. Yeah. Oh, that was me again. That was me again. Watch that.
No, you had the help of this guy right here.
It doesn't count because he put in his own goal.
Up away.
Meow. Get out of the way.
I'm holding onto an alligator, keeping him back.
Accidentally team killed. Not my fault. Freaking
Oh, God,
pig.
Jackson, why were
That
you
wasn't
playing?
even me. Because I thought it was your job.
No, I was fighting the alligator.
No, you weren't. You were on the ground.
Because he knocked me the F out, bro.
Not them.
I got angry and started little. Yeah. Yo, there's some gangbanging happening.
Enemy
That's it for
combatant.
this video. I'm suing. Bye bye, ladies and should I say transgender.
And I'm busted.
I get no kick from champagne. Mere alcohol doesn't thrill me at all. So tell me, why shouldn't it be true? I get a kick out of brew. There's only one beer left. Rappers screaming all in our ears like we're deaf.